Hey everyone, if you saw my last video, in that video I unboxed my Sirui 85 1.4 lens for my Sony camera, but as you can see on that video, it didn't work unfortunately, and the lens wasn't working. This focus issues, a lot of issues. Seems like that was a faulty unit, so I had to return that, and with back and forth conversation with the Sirui customer service, I finally able to get the replacement, and they sent it very fast. Now I've got the new lens here, so I'm gonna unbox it and let's see if it works or not. As you can see guys, everything is same as before. The unboxing is same as before. There's a vacuum wrapped lens, and looks everything new. When I first turned on the camera with the lens, I was worried that the lens still have that focusing issue. Well, actually the focus switch was in MF, so I had to change it to AF mode. Now this is working. So here I'm trying to do some of the autofocus test for the Sirui for the video. As you can see in the video, there are some of the issues with the focusing. I haven't checked the firmware yet. I think I have to update the firmware. But as we can see, as the review that I've seen from Sony 85 Mark II lens, the focus is tech sharp, but here I see some of the problems. If you are using this lens for the photography, and I don't think there will be a problem. So finally guys, I can say the lens is working, and I don't have to return this lens anymore, and I'm happy how the Sirui customer service deal with the issue, and send the lens as fast as they could, and thank you Sirui for that one. And for now, thank you for watching and see you next time.